Grace House Ministries is a Christian group home for girls who have been abandoned, neglected, and abused. We serve girls ages 6 to 21 years old, and we are giving hope to girls in crisis. Grace House exists so that we can alleviate poverty, and one way to do that is through education. And we believe here at Grace House that education is one way that we're breaking that cycle of abuse and poverty that has just plagued the lives of all of our girls and unfortunately their families. Thank you so much for adopting Grace House last year. Through your donations, we are able to offer every girl a seamless educational experience, which means so much to our organization. So since implementation of the new learning management system, we have seen huge progress with the staff and the team here. One, they're not as frustrated. They can really focus on teaching our girls. And from a performance standpoint, it was hard for us to determine if a girl was actually failing or if she was passing and kind of where she was mid-course. So having the learning management system really helped us to streamline those processes and just really put those things in place that will help us to determine where the child is in her educational plan. We are so excited that we can offer an experience that has really transformed the way our girls learn, and we look forward to expanding our programs in the very near future so that we can serve even more girls.